how are you all? I hope good and safe. What we all learned that in previous class? Tell me, what is that? Yes, the third lesson. So what is that third lesson name? Look at that, the magic lamp of Aladdin. Half of the story completed in this lesson and some characters also entered on the time, okay? So what is that characters is there? Aladdin mother, and the next is stranger, and it's called that a wizard also. Next is genie, and now in this story the new one is entered, that is Sultan. What is that? Sultan and Halima. Who is it? Halima and Sultan. The previous class we learned that in story of only Aladdin mother and stranger. When it comes to that in genie also totally we all learned in previous class. Now Aladdin also grew up. Now he is a handsome person. Okay. Now and so what happened is there in next one. Let us see. Now it's continuation. The lesson will start. The page number 13. Look at that. Yes. Those are not purchasing that textbook, you must purchase. Those are having textbook, open that one and page number 13. Now continuously we will start the day lesson. Look at that. Which one is over? Yes, was time found himself a wife. Only Aladdin now searched that in mother, it's a wife only. One day Aladdin saw the Sultan daughter. Look at that. One day Aladdin saw the Sultan daughter. Who saw that in Sultan daughter? Yes, Sultan, one of the king. Okay, Sultan is having the one of the daughter. The daughter name is Halima. Who is it? Halima. Yes, look at that. One day Aladdin saw the Sultan's daughter Halima being carried through the street. She was so beautiful that he fell into love with her. Yes, look at that. Halima being carried through the streets. When he's got that in street, that in Halima, he's look at that in Aladdin, he's falling in love. Okay. I will go back and ask the Sultan for his daughter hand, said his mother. When he told her about it, yes, he's go to him home and totally the story also explained that when I totally explained that his mother and ask for that in daughter hand, you must go to that in Sultan palace. It said to that in mother to Aladdin. She arrived at the palace. Look at that. She arrived at the palace with a chest full of big diamonds for the Sultan. Yes. Look at that. Mother also goes to that in palace on that time and diamonds totally it's a fill of in chest. It's a diamonds for that in Sultan. If Aladdin wants to marry Halima, said the Sultan, he asked for that in mother. Whose mother? Aladdin mother asked for that in Sultan's daughter. If Aladdin wants to marry to Halima, said the Sultan, yes, Aladdin wants to marry Halima, said the Sultan, he must send me 40 slaves, each carrying a box of precious stones. Also, he must build a splendid palace for her. She is not habitual for living in a small house. Now replied that in Sultan. Okay. And what is the reply that my daughter also it's not living for that in small house, so that why you must build that one precious palace. It's have to that 40 slaves also is there in that palace and carrying a box of in precious stones. And my daughter also it's not a poor, my daughter also it's not living a small houses. You must build that in a beautiful palace, replied that in Sultan. Okay, now turn the page. Look, when Aladdin heard the demand, yes, he told the genie of the lamp about it. The genie clapped his hand. Yes, who one is gives to that in total one? Who one is gives to genie only? It gives to total what is they want. Who? Aladdin and mother. What they want that totally it gives to that in a genie only. Okay, what is gives to the previous one also? Clothes, food, whatever it is they want totally it gives to in genie. Now Aladdin also heard that in this Sultan gives that in demand, the genie will come out. The genie is told to that in genie and the lamp about it. The genie clapped in his hand. Yes, the genie will comes out on that oil lamp and clap it only. So, and behold 40 slaves, boxes of jewels, and the palace are appeared within a minute. Yes, when the genie comes out on that oil lamp and clapped one of the moment, and the 40 slaves also comes, and one of the beautiful palace also is there. 1 minute only, 1 minute only it comes to that in built that in beautiful palace, and 40 slaves also is there, and the precious stones, the beautiful stones also is there, the boxes is there on that 1 minute only. The wedding took place with lots of celebration. Yes, totally is do that in Aladdin. Yes or no? The genie is do that in total one, and Aladdin and mother is totally happy, and now it's go to that in ask for that in hand to Sultan's daughter, and they also wedding on the time. The wedding took place with lots of celebration. So many members comes to, and lots of celebration also there on that in palace. Aladdin become famous. Yes, 1 minute it's totally built. It's a beautiful palace, and the slaves also is there, and the stones also is there. What they want, it's totally comes on that in palace. So many members, it's one place to another place, it's totally spreaded, and Aladdin also very famous on that time. Everyone heard on his wealth and fortune. Yes, the wizard also heard this news. Do you know the who one is wizard? Yes, the man who on that time totally covered its go to on time. Yes, that wizard is heard that in Aladdin also very famous, and it's a wealth and fortune for totally famous. On that time he is heard that in news of in wizard. Dressed as a merchant. Yes, the wizard also changed that in dresses. Yes, has a merchant. Dressed as a merchant he comes. He stopped by Aladdin house. Yes, a merchant. Merchant time it's dressed totally dressed a merchant. He stopped by Aladdin house. When he is do that in palace, on that house, the front of house, it's stopped that in wizard. Old lamps for new. He called, look at that, old lamps for new. He called the princess. Yes, the wedding also it's over, the marriage also it's over. It's front of the standing on wizard, and what is do that in merchant? No, so what is do that old lamps for new? Yes, old lamps for new. He called the princess. Princess name, what is that? Yes, Halima. Aladdin had never told Halima about the secret of lamp. Yes, Halima, she don't know that in one of the oil lamp and ring also is there, and advantages, what is the there, adventure is there, the previous one it's not, she don't know that total secret of lamp. And so willing to surprise Aladdin, she fetched the oil lamp and gave it to the merchant, exchanged it for a new one. The old lamp is there, but it's told that dirty and old one is there. But on that wizard, what is the change of dressing? He is an old one. If you give to that in old one, I will give you that a new one. He is told to that in Halima. Now she don't know na secret of what is the oil lamp is there and what is the genie is there. She don't know. But wizard is told to that Halima on that time. She is also goes to in house and enter that in house and gives to that in wizard one of the old lamp is exchanged for it. The merchant quickly began to rub it, and the genie was then and the service of the wizard. When she gives to that in old lamp, on that time wizard also rubbing on that old lamp. When comes to when it's rubbing that in hand, when who one is comes to, genie will appear. In a second he whisked away all the Aladdin possessions and took the palace and the princess to an unknown land. There with end nobody knew what had happened. The genie, who one is rubbed on the time of lamp, the genie will come. So who one is rubbing, he is the servant of the genie. Yes or no? But on the time wizard also it's rubbing that in hand, the genie will come. So it's ordered, and so Halima and totally processions took the palace and princess. Palace and princess, his unknown places he goes to that in wizard. Look at that. Nobody knew that. No one is knew that when it's taken go to who's wizard and Halima and palace, totally palace also. Then Aladdin remembered the genie of the ring, slipping the ring on his finger. Yes, genie one of the ring also is there. He also wear that on cave. Yes. Aladdin, look at that. Aladdin turned into round and round. Yes, he also wear that one of the ring. No, Nana, what is the power of its have to one place to in another place? Totally searching. He don't know what is where place to there on that in Halima. So round and round, it's totally search for that in Aladdin. Take me to the place where the wizard has hidden my wife. Now it's a ring. Ask for that in ring. What is asking? Wizard has hidden my wife. He ordered the genie. Yes, he ordered the genie in a. It's a tell on that time in a flash. He found himself inside his own palace. And peeping for the behind curtain, he saw the wizard and the princess, then his servant. Yes, look at that in this picture. The genie also is there, and prince and princess also is there. It means Aladdin and princess. Look at that. Hidden in my wife, and on that ring, and the genie also found his wife, who's Halima. He's found that in wife, and wizard also is there. Totally is got that one. On that time, look at that in Aladdin also. And first Halima, he said Aladdin. Yes, he's look at that in Halima. On that time, he's found that in area. Who's Aladdin? And comes to on place and said to look at that first Halima. He said Aladdin, it's you. She is very shocked because the wizard also in unknown places is hidden. Yes or no? The wife and wizard unknown places, she don't know where place to we stay that one. Aladdin, it's you. Shh, don't let him hear you. Take his powder and put it into the tea. Yes, one of the plan also is increase. Who's Aladdin? Yes, the wizard also is there to you in the another room. You must take this one of the powder. Look at that. Take this one of the powder. You must put the tea. It gives to powder. Who's Aladdin? The powder quickly took effect and the wizard fell into the deep sleep. If you put that in tea, he take that in wizard also take that in tea. He goes to in deep sleep. The powder quickly took effect the wizard. The wizard also take the tea and he goes to in deep sleep. Aladdin found the lamp and rubbed it quickly. On that time, oil lamp also is there, no Nana. So Aladdin also take that in oil lamp on that place. He's rubbing that totally. He's rubbing that in quickly. Welcome back, master. Now who one is comes on that in oil lamp? Who's yes, the genie will comes. He will appear that one. Welcome back. On that time, the genie replied to Aladdin. What is replied? Welcome back, master. I am glad to see you. What can I do for you? The genie asked with a smile. Yes. What with a smile? Welcome back, master. I am glad to see you again. What can I do for you? The genie asked with a smile. First, put the wicked wizard in the chains and send him far away, where he'll never be found again. The genie nodded his head and the wizard vanished. Yes, what is the first order gives to that genie? What is that one? Yes, look at that. First, put the wizard in this chain. Look, wizard in this chain and send him very far away places. No one is found that in places. You must send to him far off places, said that a genie. On that time, the wizard also vanished. Vanished means disappeared. Halima was frightened. Halima was very happy on that time. What going on? Who is the genie? Yes, on that time she don't know. One oil lamp, one of the genie also there, and what happened is there. She don't know. She is very surprised on that moment and asked for that in question to Aladdin. Look at what going on. Who is that genie? On that time, Aladdin also replied, "Don't worry," said Aladdin. He told her to the whole story. Now, on that, Aladdin totally explained about that in whole of story. Now, take my wife and me and the palace back to where we come from. He said to that in genie. Yes, comes to that in now also rubbing that in oil lamp. The genie will comes in the next time and what is said to that in Aladdin? Now take my wife and place where we comes to that in back of step, where we comes to that from the genie takes to go on that in home. In a flash, sir. Now replied that in genie. Look at that page 50. In a flash, sir, replied the genie. Yes, replied the genie. At the snap of finger, the palace rose into the air and spread over the Sultan kingdom. Yes, the when is taken to that in palace, no, the beautiful palace also building that one of the minute. The genie also clapped on that movement, no? Yes. The palace and prince and princess on that air, it's totally spread over that in palace of Sultan's kingdom. It gently floated down to the earth and landed on his previous site. Aladdin and Halima rushed to embrace the Sultan. Yes, the palace will comes and the prince and previous comes down. The where is there on that in places the palace in old one. The old site is totally down that in palace. And prince and princess. Who one is prince ma? Yes, Aladdin and Halima. Is there and the Sultan and Aladdin mother is very happy on that moment. To this very day, in that distant country, you can still admire part of an ancient places which folk calls the palace that came from the Sikhs. So many members it comes to that in country because of the beautiful palace is built that one no, the Aladdin also very spread out that and so many members like for that in total one. Okay, in this story, the beautiful, magical and advantageous story is there, adventurous one. What is that lesson? The magic lamp of Aladdin. In this lesson, number of hard words is there, ma. So everyone you must note down. Okay, you must put the underline which one is hard word is there. You must find out that in hard word is there and your meanings you must read and write in class work, and copywriting you must write one page. Okay, and read in this story. I hope you understand in this lesson. Must read in this story, and you those who are not having in textbook must purchase. Okay, thank you.